Hey guys, my name is Brian and this channel is Bass, Beer, and BBQs. We're going to be doing some grilling, a whole bunch of fishing, and we're going to be enjoying some brews along the way. So stay tuned and we're going to have some fun. So guys, it is late May now. Bass season not open yet, but walleye season is. We're finally getting some nice weather after that cold, nasty spring we had. So we're going to get geared up and we're going to go catch some walleye. So stay tuned and I will see you guys on the water. So guys, we're out here looking for walleye. Now I prefer to fish for them in the afternoon. It is about 5:45 right now, so probably moving a bit shallower when it gets later, but for now, just looking for some deeper water. We're only in about 5 feet right now. So we're gonna move towards this point, see if we can find something a bit deeper. So, update, sitting about at 8 feet of water, throwing jig, throwing drop shot, swim jig. I can't get anything going here, so I think I'm gonna try something shallower. Maybe the fish are moving in for the night. It's about 6:45 now, but where I am is I'm getting nothing. Mr. Walleye. Come on, Mr. Walleye. Oh. Told you. I told you wanted it. Come here. There you go. Nice fish. 47 centimeters. Hey guys, so it's the following day here. Last night we were able to catch the one walleye. The bite lately for me seems to be between 8 and 9 p.m. Earlier than that, I've been getting nothing. So we're gonna go out this evening, try it around the same time. Most of my bites have been current in only about 4 feet of water between 8 and 9 p.m. So we're gonna go back out tonight, give it another whirl, and see if that pattern holds. Come on, I want to give you guys something to see here. Nothing. One little taparoo. Oh. There we go. Walleye. I want the timer off. There you go, guys. Good sized walleye. That's probably about 840. So I got that one. Drop shot for Walters. Jack all crosstail shad. That's what I'm using. Not sure what that color is supposed to be. It says AYU. It's like a natural green color. Open up the old tackle box. Bread and butter. Rapala shadow wrap. Perch colors. Doing on myself. Make sure your line is nice and wet when you tie in fluorocarbon. I always use the improved clench knot. It has never steered me wrong. Can't stay out too late tonight because I do work tomorrow. By the time I get back to the dock, I'll load everything up, get home, unload everything. It'll be late night for Brian. Quickie action. Oh. Now I got one hell of a weed, or I just got a fish. Don't move like that. Oh, splashed me. I don't even know if he knew he was hooked. Oh, come on, get in there. Ooh. Shadow rat, man. Deadly. There you go, guys. Another beautiful walleye. What I tell you guys, shadow wrap, money. Well, not a bad evening. Put 2 in the boat. And the paddle back and the loading. Alright, let's do it. Hey guys, how's it going? It's been a few days now since the last time we were out fishing, and I just thought I'd kind of give you guys a summary of kind of what went down. So the pattern that we've kind of been finding is that it's a late afternoon bite for the walleye, for me anyways, usually about between 8 and 9 p.m. in about 4 feet of water, so we were pretty close to shore. The one I caught, I was just using a drop shot. I think it was just 10-pound mono on my Quantum Hellcat spinning reel with, I was using the Jackal crosstail shad in green color there. It's kind of a white belly. So yeah, caught one on that, and the other one's on my go-to for late afternoon night walleye. It's been the Rapala Shadow Wrap jerk bait. I've been using this bait for a few years now, and it has really become a confidence bait for me. I've got a few different jerk baits in the tackle box. This one's always my go-to. There's a lot of perch in the lake that I fish, and that perch color just seems to do the trick, and they just seem to not be able to resist it. If I'm out in the afternoon going for the walleye and haven't got anything, throw this on. Almost every outing I'll be able to get one on this. So yeah, that's basically the summary for the afternoon. I was throwing this on my Rapala X-Wrap bait caster, fairly inexpensive rod and reel combo, 15-pound fluorocarbon. And yeah, this bad boy here is a ticket. It has been for a long time. I'm gonna have to get myself another one of these because the trebles have definitely seen better days. One's actually broken off there. But yeah, so that's kind of the summary of what went down over the 2 afternoons. Caught the 3 walleye, and hopefully in a couple days we'll be able to go out again. But another point for this bait here is it's not just for walleye. I've caught bass, tons of bass on this as well. So, I mean, if you're looking for a jerk bait, relatively inexpensive, I'd give this one a shot. So, wishing all of you guys tight lines and loose lips. I'll see you later.